Yeah, hi, good evening. So, we are discussing about intents, right? So, in intents, as of now, we have completed an explicit intent. So, in explicit intent, there are different kinds of things that we have completed. Like one is the moving from one page to other page. Next is sending the data between pages. After that, uh, discussed about the activity life cycle. Then followed by and discussed about services, right? So with this, we done with an explicit intent. Now we'll see implicit intent related. So for the implicit intent, here I'll add one button one by one. We'll see. Implicit means that is invoking the system components, like which are predefined. So links, this code never change. So first I'll want to open this cam. So just I want to open the camera. So here I'll write this also camera. So this is below of stop. So instead of start, it is stop. Right. Now I want to open camera with this. Right here now simple. I'll write here binding dot. So cam dot set on click listener. So on click listener. On click listener. Right. Within this, so like where cam intent. So we have to write camera intent, right? So for that, now I'm writing that like this cam intent equal to. So what we have to write here? Intent. This is common here. So intent within a this. Now above we have written two things, but here directly we have to write the action. So that is the media store dot. From the media store, I want to open this. So image capture. That's it. Then
Media store is a library, sir.
sorry.
Media store is a library.
Yeah, it's a library. It's a predefined library which is available in our Android. So from there we are accessing this directly. So this is done. Now I'm running this. We will see here now. So just I'm running here. Wait, connected the device, but still it is not showing here. Yeah. So now I'm clicking on this camera. See, automatically the camera is open. So here we can change like this. So even we can capture, we can take the picture, but we cannot save. For the save, it will be different. So saving it will ask permissions right now. So that is a different case. So now, as of now, what we are doing here, just we are capturing the image. Till that we have discussed it, right? So means using this intent, this we can do, but saving and all that will be the next like different part. So that we will see later, like now. So this is the one concept here in this. Now So next, so first explicit intent. This is like sorry, in implicit intent. This is what now was opening a camera. Then next browser. I want to open some browser. So that we will see here. So for that again here, I'm taking one this thing here now. I'll write here browser. So browser. Then I'll write the scam. Wheel of cam. Right. Now here we will write the this so binding dot. So browser dot set on click listener. So within a this again where intent. So like I'll write browse intent equal to. So here we will write that. So intent within a this now. So this is from this is also one of the predefined source only, that is Android dot content. So content dot from the OS itself, intent dot action view. So we need an view. So that view here we are fetching that view, action view. So this is the view we want to get here. So for this also we'll write start activity of browse intent, but here we have to assign the data. So that is the browse intent dot. So data. So we have to set the data. So what data we have to set? So that is the here we want to open a browser, right? If you want to open a browser, we have to assign that URI. So that URI dot parse. So we are parsing the URI. So that parse within this now we have to assign some URL. So I'll assign some URL. So let I'll add this. So something will add. So this would happen for this. So this is the URL. We'll add here. So I'm adding this URL. Right. Now I'm running. But before running, just you have to observe in the mobile. See, in this mobile, now currently I don't have any recent apps, right? So I don't have any recent apps. Now I'm running this. Means here implicit intent means we are opening some third party other apps. Other apps we are opening here. Now it is launched here. Now we can see here. Even if I click here recent, only this one we have, right? Now I'm clicking this. So it is going to the default browser. So in case if you have that default browser, it will open the default browser. Otherwise, it will ask to open the default browser. It will ask to open the browser, which means ask to choose the browser. See now if we have see in my system, it has the Chrome as the default browser, so it is open directly the Chrome. In case if it is not available, then it will ask to choose a browser. So that is one thing. Next, similar here now, I want to like next step. So what we have to do the next step here? So I want to open a gallery. So how to open a gallery? So that we will see. So here I'll change that as the gallery. So here I change this as a gallery. So this is below of browser, right? So here, if you come here now, there is a simple way. like how you are getting that gallery. So that way, just a minute, system got struck. Yeah, now it is responding. Yeah. So here binding dot. So that is the gallery dot set on click listener. Right. So within this now, here almost whatever we written, that is the same here. Just we have to use the path of that. Right here now, where intent equal to intent of. So here intent action pick. So that is here we will write intent action pick. Previously we written that view, here pick. So then start activity of, so intent, here we have to assign the path. So that is the intent dot set type. So we have to set the data type, which type of data we are passing here. This, so video slash star. So then if you write like this, the only videos will open. So like if we image, how to open the image, that also we will see. Now we will see. Only now, if I click that, only videos will open that. Here now I'm clicking the gallery. See here, videos is open here. This. Even if it is a camera, here I have only videos. Only videos. So next step, here in case if I add here, so image, only images will display image. Now you can observe here now what happens here. Now it is open only videos, right? So next step here, it will open only the, it is, I think it is struct. Now I'm opening here. If you can see here, only photos. If I open this, so previously it was that, now it is open only photos. Right. So
Class star is for
like it goes directly this path, it is defining the only images. So as star will define the path of that particular one. It's directly it goes to that particular folder itself.
same thing we do with audio as well.
Yeah, audio, yes, audio as well. Also like image document as well. Like in WhatsApp we have, right? If you open WhatsApp, if I open WhatsApp here, it is asking that if I want, let us say I have clicking here. So document gallery, like it is asking, right? So similar here. So we have to control the type of that. So that is by using implicit intent. So this by using the implicit intent, here we covered like 3 to 4 types, but like that there are many things. So like just you can note down from here few things. One is like as a task, like you can take as a make call. Means like I want to open the call directly from here. Like many apps we will see support. So therefrom I click, automatically it goes to the dialer, right? So that is a one task. And also compose email. Next, compose SMS. Similar, open WhatsApp. So these 4 you can do from your side. Almost it is same. Just you can write from your side 4. Even I already told, right, that is a fixed code. Even if you search in a Google also, automatically the code will be available for that. So if you do that, so the intent wise, it is completed. So far it is clear, or you have any questions?
No, sir, clear.
Okay. So now, so as of now, like what we are doing here, we are running this application right here. If application name, what it is coming here now, this is application that is intent x ex. That is means whatever the project name we are giving there, so the same it is coming here. But now I don't want like that. I want different name. So whenever you need an app name different, so go to here, res xml values strings. Here, this is here it will come. See, instead of this, I'll put my name. So now if you can see here, now this here it is showing here where it is intent. Previously, like now, if I close this, if I open here now, it is available here. See, previously it was here intent something. Now it is showing here this. Like let us see, you can see something here. I'll increase some name. Here we will observe that now right now only 3 letters. See. Here, see. This is the name change it is done. Okay. So the name change is okay. But now I want to
We can't change the name of the project, right?
you can change. Where
But
do you want?
when
Like here
we
in our system, huh? That you can change, no problem. That you can change. So, but not directly here. You can change the folder name. From there, you have to re-import the project again.
okay.
Now, like I want to change the app icon as well. So the default app icon is coming as IC launcher, right? Instead of that, I want my app icon. So if I want my app icon, now here, like icon. So just I want to download some icon from here, random icon. I download here. So just let us, this is the 3, any single, yeah, I download this icon. Okay, this I want to put for my image. So first you have to save this. Otherwise this will be good, like this we will download. So save. So I have saved this on a desktop. But this apps is not suitable for our size. So last time already I shared one, that is the app icon generator. Right? App icon generator. So app icon generator. So this is the app icon.co. Here you have to generate the app icon. So how to generate that? So here select this. So now just we downloaded and this icon you can upload and write. So here you can give that name, app icon generate. Now it will be generated here. If you see here downloads, so here now this is the Play Store, that is 512 by 512 automatically will generate. Copy this, go back to your project and in map. So you can place that icon, paste. So paste, Play Store. Right now, here, in a manifest file, go to manifest file here. So here you have that icon name. So that instead of that, you can change the Play Store. Two icons will be here. One is the rounded icon, one is the normal icon. So both you have to change here. So Play Store. Right now I'm running. You will see here now. App icon. As of now, it is here. See, this is the icon. See, now it is changed. If you can see here now, the app icon has changed here like this. So that is in manifest file here now. We seen that previously this one. Now in this we seen here this two things. So even though that name is also calling from there only. See here, this is the from strings that name, it is calling here this. So that is the one here, right? Now we see,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, then what is the difference between drawable and mid-map?
What is the difference between
Drawable and mid-map.
drawable and bitmap?
Means,
Okay.
yeah.
So uh, previously the drawable and means bitmap folder is not there. So all the images we are saving in a drawable folder itself. But drawable folder will handle only single size, but bitmap, like it can handle the multiple sizes of
Got
images.
it,
Like,
sir.
yeah, last time we added multiple images.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
because of that, now in a drawable folder, whatever is there in a drawable folder is now it is only supported for the XML files. Like last time we created a border XML. So such
Hmm.
kind of, if you want to create any XML files, so that can be handled by drawable folder. Bitmap will handle the all sizes of images.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I
Now that,
use the images here only drawable and SRC drawable at that like that I call that time. So
yeah,
that is why I am asking that what is the
correct,
difference
correct, correct.
between
Yeah,
these
yeah.
two.
It's a good question. It's a good question. Yeah. So now that will
Okay,
be
so here we can resize that the image. That is why we can use mid map and here we can use the XML, right?
correct, correct, correct. Exactly. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, like, okay, so we are developing the applications and we are doing these things, that things. But if now this application with this cable directly, I'm installing here, right? With the cable, I'm installing. But now, like, you are in a different location. Now, whatever I have developed, I want to send app to you. So how you can install that app in your mobile? So for that, in a simple way here now, we will generate the output file. So previously it was .apk file. Right now also you can generate .apk file. Also the bundle, nowadays it is coming as a bundle .aab. So that is the complete bundle it is coming, because different versions, different outputs as generating. So that's the reason now it is coming as a bundle. In a Play Store, we will upload the bundle, but in a debug mode, whenever you have to give to someone, we will generate as an APK. So now how to generate that we will see here. Now in this build, so there is option on the top, build. So here, first option in this build, it is here, this is the one, generate bundle or APKs. Here it has two options. Now I'll show you first APK. Click on APK. So now automatically it is generating here. See, it is generating the output files. So it is generating the output files. Now locate this also. It will be located in your project itself. Within a project here, this is the one. So if you share this one, you can install your phone. So then automatically that whatever that app will be there, that all the features you can access within your mobile. So that is one. Like same, if here now, if I can go with build generate. So here now bundle. So if it go with bundle, wait. So this bundle also generated here. So instead of APK, now it is generated as a AAB. This is a bundle. So, but bundle directly we cannot install on our mobile. So that's the reason whenever you have to share in a development level, so there you have to generate as an APK format. So that APK format will generate, and when you upload in a Play Store, that we will generate as a bundle. But whatever I have generated, that is, this is quick, and we have to send this within a organization people. But when you have to send outside people, this is not a correct process. So whenever you send this to outside people, you have to generate as a signed APK. So generate signed and bundle. This is the one you have to generate here. This. So how to generate this? Now click on this. So whenever you have to generate here, you have to generate like one you can generate. It will be help for us too. So now bundle. Next. Here you have to generate a key store path. So this key store path here it will generate one file. So that file you have to first I'm creating that key store file. Somewhere you have to locate here. Now I'll select here this documents. So save. So in a documents, like I'm giving one pass 1 2 3 4 5 something. I'm giving the password. So confirm password. I'm confirming the password. Means this is the APK generation here. This normally will give the client name. So now as of now I'm not giving here. So client name or project name you can give something. So that as for the company they will guide you what they are regularly follow that. So here you have to do minimum is the 1 year, maximum up to 2000 years you can put that. So but I'm going with that only now. So I'm going with the test. Here normally we'll give that company name and all. Hyderabad state. So country code. So that is the 91. I'll give 91. Like so, but here whatever the information here we are giving that you can save in one file along with the source code. So now click on OK. Now here it will save here. So click next. So here you have to which mode you have to go, debug mode or release mode. You have to generate here this. This one, if you can give, like means previous one, what happens when I give the previous one, maybe like they can debug in a debug, they can can retrieve the code. So like some of the tools will be available in online. So there they can get the code. So that's the reason that is not suggestible. So you have to go the second one, like you have to generate this and you have to go the second one here. This. So something it is asked workspace.png. Error users intent. What happened here? We'll do again build generate signed APK. See, just now we given that password. You have to give here password. So that key alias. Then wait, maybe for that supported files as required. No, we have to generate this. So just I'm giving the passwords. So now in manifest file, app icon, app icon. Yeah, now we will try. Okay, the Play Store, word the Play Store, it is not accepting, I think. Now it will come. Yeah, now it will generate here. So while running here, this we cannot generate. So that's why I'm stopping that. Generate signed APK. So click next. So password has saved. Now it is running here. Now we will see. Still it is an error. Intent error. What happened here in manifest file? We'll see this. With this, it will come or not. Then we'll see what is the issue with the image. Okay. Sometimes what happens, image will be some other third parties. Also, it cannot come. So generate signed APK. I think now it is coming. Yeah, now it is almost done. So this will take little bit time compared to the previous one. It will take the time because all the files should be extracted and it create a proper output file. Here locate. See here it is generated here. This we can upload in a Play Store. So that process we'll see later. So now with this, what we had like very basic code has completed. So tomorrow we will see web services. First we'll see web services with retrofit. Then we'll see later. So in that I'll include the different things into that, like multiple different 6 to 7 different topics I'll include in a single project so that it will give like a overview of the project, like how to create a project, how to handle the other methods and all that will be included. So that we will see in tomorrow's class.
Sir, can you repeat the APK and bundle?
So APK is
Like
nothing but, yeah,
in APK file, every means all over the details of the project will come, right?
yeah, both
Then what is
both
the
will be
difference?
like both will be same. So APK directly, if I share that APK, right? So that is not supporting all the versions, like older version, latest version, it is not supporting. So that's the reason all together versions it is generating as a AAB file. So AAB file will can install in any of the mobile, like Android 8, 9, 10, like that, any version.
Okay.
Yeah, APK
In
means
APK,
APK means like some versions we may not install that.
okay,
That is the
got
reason.
it,
Like
sir.
that is the reason. Recently, the Play Store is also accepting the AAB file only. Okay. Okay, we'll see tomorrow.